For nearly 4 decades, these artisans have utilized their 3.4-acre land for their businesses. The area is home to various skilled workers, including mechanics and vendors selling food items. However, a long-standing legal dispute has cast doubt on their ownership rights, with a private individual claiming the land as her own. Consequently, over 300 artisans have been engaged in a court battle against the private individual seeking to assert their rights to the land. Disappointment filled the air as the affected individuals gathered at the Law Court complex in Kumasi to hear the High Court ruling, which ultimately declared the land to belong to the private individual.
As you see, my members, they are all angry because if you look at the way things are going on, it's not fair for us. Because we have been there for almost 40 years. And the judgment, His Lordship give it to us. It's not fair for us. Because as you see the members, we are almost 1,000 plus. The judge cannot displace all these people. We have widows there, we have singing parents there, we have isota sellers there, we have choba operators there, so we are all one.
In light of this verdict, the aggrieved individuals are now reaching out to the Asantehene and President Akufo-Addo appealing for their intervention to prevent the potential loss of their source of livelihood.
If you go on strike, even 1 week, you can see the mess that we create in this town, Kumasi. Because a lot of work we did there. So we are appealing the government and then His Majesty Otumfuo to come in, to intervene that we are his son, we are his daughters, we are our brothers. We want place to work so that we can get something from hand to mouth.
So is it now you want that even if you are being asked to leave the area, you want to be given another place to work? Is that the case?
No. We want to stay there. We don't want any place. We want to stay there. Because that land is not for that woman.
Emmanuel Ade, the lawyer representing the affected persons, has expressed the intention to appeal the court's decision on behalf of his clients. He urges the artisans in the area to remain calm during the process, assuring them that legal action would be taken.
We'll go for a copy of the judgment, study the judgment, and then decide on the next line of action to take. Definitely we'll go on appeal.
And so for now, are the people here asked to leave right
now? No, they are not asked to leave. They will go for a stay of execution and then take it over from there.
So for how long are they going to operate here?
They are entitled to be here, insofar as they haven't gone into execution. And we'll apply, we'll go on this thing, we'll file a notice of appeal, then stay execution, and then take it up from there.
And so it means that they are allowed to operate at least for some months?
Yes. Not for some months, they are allowed to operate. Not, if he hasn't taken any step, they should stay calm. They shouldn't take the law into their own hands.
Efforts to contact the private individual involved in the case have thus far been unsuccessful.
These aggrieved artisans are disappointed following the decision by the court to rule against them. They fear that this will affect their source of livelihood, and as such, they want the relevant authorities such as the Asantehene and government to intervene. For Citi News, I'm Edward Opod Malfon, Kumasi.